Going into my project, I was really optimistic and I had like so many visions for it, and then I realized I don't know how to code. It took me like 3 months, but I really learned perseverance because you just have to keep trying and eventually something will click, and when it does, it's like a whole new world of possibilities and everything just becomes so much easier.
When you see kids come to the science fair, they're so proud and passionate about their project, they just shine.
The root of science fair is being curious.
The first thing that's going to go with your mind is, oh, what am I supposed to come up with for my project? Something that makes you go, aha, or it changes the way I look at something, that's a really good project.
As soon as you find something that you're interested in, it's always good to pursue it because you really never know where it can go.
Je veux que les autres fassent actuellement des expériences tout en passant par la démarche scientifique pour résoudre un problème.
One of the biggest things is you need proof.
It really is about discovering, so it is absolutely real science.
You've worked on a science fair project for a number of months. Now is your time to go and share and present to everybody else. It's a real rush. You learn how to present yourself.
And we reached out to many scientists in Sudbury.
It's not every day you get to work with a PhD science student when you're in grade 9. They're just as excited about it as you.
It really starts with the teacher.
L'apprentissage par projet, c'est interdisciplinaire. Il fait de la communication, il fait de la recherche, il fait de la science, il fait de l'art.
When you have somebody that's there to push with you, things can really go places.
Tout tourne autour d'un sujet qui lui est pertinent à lui. Pour cette raison-là, l'élève est plus motivé, je pense.
Project-based science makes science fun.
The Sudbury Regional Science Fair has developed a real sense of pride in our community about how innovative we can be here in our community.
Sponsors and donors are imperative to the success of the science fair. Being able to reward those individuals that have done outstanding work is very special and important.
And so I think we really come full circle when we're sponsoring an event like this, and it really makes an impact.
These individuals are really going to be those who are going to change the future of Canada.
Yeah, 100% participating in science fair completely changed the course of my life. Really, I think this has contributed so much to what my future will be. Meeting other students with similar interests.
There's a lot of kids, they're all passionate about science.
Meeting people who are thinking like you.
See the amazing things other people have done. It's a really cool experience.
Science fair was the first time that I got to kind of say, well, look, I learned this stuff in math class, I learned this stuff in science class, now I get to actually do something with it.
You're creating the question, you're answering it in your way.
If you're not sure if something will work, the best way to figure out for sure is to try it out.
The more times you fail, then the more times you can succeed.
Move fast and break things. It taught me a really important lesson which I'll continue to take advantage of for the rest of my life. Hard work is actually really the most important part of all of this.
Those years were very important in formulating the person that I am today, because I had the confidence from science fair to be able to take something that seemed so daunting and so complicated and so difficult and make it mine. That was really inspiring.
Doing a science fair project may be just that spark that ignites that interest.
That was what sparked going into medicine.
I never knew that this sort of whole field was open to me. Science fair can help you get there.
Everyone is so excited about what they're doing. It's incredibly uplifting.
You can really tell what direction you want your life to go in, and you're just so inspired, and it's such a positive event.
It's something where everyone has fun.